folks. We are here on the floor of SMTA International in Rosemont, Illinois. We're back in Chicago, David.
Back in Chicago.
What do you think, man? You having a good time?
I love it here. Last time I was here was the last time the SMTA show was in Chicago before I moved over to Minneapolis.
Yeah.
It was great in Minneapolis, but I'm also glad that it's back in Chicago. I miss the food here.
Yeah, I mean, SMTA is always a fun show, but maybe it's just me, but the vibe seems a little bit more energetic. Maybe it's because we're here filming at almost 7 at night.
I think there is a lot more energy in this area. Again, not saying anything bad about where SMTA was in Minneapolis, but I think the energy is different here. It's a bit more of a centralized location where you got people coming up from, South U.S. like Texas, people coming out from West Coast, California. Central enough to where people are coming out from the East Coast, even Canada. So we've even had people come out already just today, within the first hour from all these different areas. So.
Well, we got to back up a little bit, man. I jumped into it a little bit too casual because you and I can chat forever, but we're here with David Lee of Inovaxe. Inovaxe is in the news. You're in the press. You guys won some awards today.
We did, yeah. Yeah, that was fantastic. It's always great winning awards and being recognized for the type of work that you do, the quality of the work that we're putting in. It's been a really nice ride for us. We've been growing every year. We're expanding our sales team, we're expanding our production, we're expanding support, software, even our own product lines. We make and produce everything ourselves, even down to the PCBs that goes into our equipment. And we have also, in recent years, have picked up the Modi incoming goods scanner, and we have become one of their biggest distributors across the world. And we're working on some pretty good deals with them as well, both internally and with customers. We've added on MP, which makes our smart dry cabinet, as well as the VisiConsult X-ray counter. And we do have a lot of big announcements to make along with those same partners. Some of which I can't talk about right now, but I'm sure it'll be all over the place before Apex.
Yeah, if you want to know the secrets, just give me a call. I only charge a few $100s for those secrets. Now, I'm joking, of course, but David, you guys are really paving the way with the way a company needs to be run, and it's very interesting that you guys have gone with that model of building everything yourself. That isn't seen nowadays. Everyone uses contract manufacturers for this or that, down to, like you said, making your own PCBs. I'm about to put my salesman hat on and try to sell you some stuff, right? Because you're a supplier and a user.
Yeah, that's something we are very proud of, and that's something that really separates us from really anybody else. Like you said, nobody else is doing what we're doing. There are companies out there who will make an attempt to kind of copy our hardware, right? They're copying a product, but we're not selling a product, we're selling a solution. So we are software developers, we're mechanical engineers, we're developers and electrical engineers, and we're very involved in what we do. And again, that's something that we take a lot of pride in, just doing it ourselves. We are very proud to say we design, manufacture, produce, and develop 100% of our own equipment. I think that really sets us apart from everybody else. We're really big on the software side. There's going to be companies that pop out up there, white label a cheaper product, and sell it as just a smart rack and sell it as hardware. And we're not in the business to do that. So we see it happening, and that's fine. They'll have their space in the industry, but in order for you to keep up with where this industry is going, the connectivity and the level of communication and integration that this industry demands, especially in the next coming years, you really have to look at more than just the hardware to provide a valuable solution to customers.
Well, I think you said it right, and we'll wrap it up on this. We're not selling a product, we're selling a solution. And when you are making an investment for your facility, you're not just looking for a product to make it easier. You're looking for that company, that support, that expertise, and that's what you get over at Inovaxe. David, thank you so much. You couldn't have said it any better. Thank you.